How to fix WhatsApp business quality problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp business quality problem on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now apps again, and open WhatsApp business here. Now click for stop and then go to WhatsApp business and open these 3 points here and then click settings, and now click storage and data, and now scroll down until you find here photo upload quality. Click on it and then click data. You will find it auto here, auto, and then just select best quality and click OK, and that's it. Now just go back and your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.